guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe if you are new here, and today I have something special for you guys. I am finally doing the Husband Does My Voiceover challenge, and this is gonna be funny. And I'm not naked, by the way. I got a shirt on. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do on my eyes, but I do know that I want to use this new lip shade from KYLIE Cosmetics in the shade Shady. It's one of her new releases. So yeah, he's gonna have something fun to voice over, and we'll see how funny and hilarious and creative he is with his words when I'm doing this makeup look. I do know I want it to be kind of grungy and like 90s-esque, but we'll see where we go from there. But if you are new here, then please subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any more videos. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Instagram and Snapchat are both Zoey.heynow, and then Twitter is just Zoey Heynow. They will be in the description down below. And yeah, if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching.
Alright, what's up guys? You're here with me doing the voiceover for my wife. I'm an expert at this, so here we go. For the eyeshadow, you want to grab the cocoa looking color. Just dab it a little bit over your eyelid. After that, you're going to want to grab another caramel looking eyeshadow. Go over the top of the cocoa looking color and just blend it in. It's not too hard. Once you're done with that, then you have one more color. It's called the Cypress something. Go over those two colors and just blend it in again. So yes, this is the eyeshadow. And then you want to take care of the tip of your eyelid. I would choose like a creamy, shiny color, off-white. Fill that in. Once you're done, you're going to want to go back to the Cypress brown color. Well, yes, of course, after you do this shiny part and even it out, then you'll go back to the brown color. Here it is. So blend it, make it look all pretty, and then obviously you would do the same thing with the other eye, which is already done. Then you want to grab the eyeliner, fill in your eyeliner. Don't forget the wing. That's the hardest part for me, but I'll master it one day. Now we're working with the foundation. Put the foundation on your forehead, on your cheeks, on your chin, everywhere. Then start dabbing it. Dab, 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 dab. I can't stress it enough how much you need to dab. Don't forget to move your hair and dab underneath there. Even it out. You don't want to look all crazy. After that, you will put some powder so it's not so dewy looking. Then I would say to grab this contour, this caramel looking color contour. Yes, it's caramel, not caramel. And get on your nose, on your forehead, on your cheekbones, and dab. Blend it in. Yes, girl, blend it. You can use the sponge, makeup blender, beauty blender. Yeah, that's the word. Beauty blender. or you can use a brush, whatever preference you have. And then after that, you want to use this makeup cream liquid that I forgot the name of, and just put it under your eyes and on your nose and on your forehead. Oh, and don't forget the Cupid's bow. Okay? Also blend in. Everything is blending. Blending is key. For best results, you want to look up to the sky and open your mouth just a little bit, as you can see right here. Oh yeah, girl. Get it. My wife is so pretty. Makes me so happy just watching her do her thing. She's so good at it too, it's crazy. I'm so proud of her. Alright, continuing with the blush. This is like a soft brown color. You just want to put on your cheeks. Oh, and underneath the chin. Kind of on your neck. Even it out. Kind of gives you like a tan look. Then you want to go back over your nose. Make sure it's blended well. And we'll soon get into the part for the highlighter. My favorite part. I love the highlighter. But right now we're just going to finish up the final touches. Go back to the cypress brown. Put it under your eye. Do both sides evenly. And that's that. So now we're working with the e.l.f. I'm pretty sure it's like a highlighter that you want to put on your tear duct or near your tear duct, so that you have like this shine, this sparkle near your eye. And here is the highlighter, my favorite part. Yes, girl, get it. Just look at that shine, it's so bright. Wow. So you evenly want to highlight both sides. Like the top of your, or above your cheekbones. And a little bit on your nose, a little bit on your Cupid's bow, I would say. And then lastly, you want to put whatever lipstick you want. We chose the blue because it's the Kylie Jenner blue lipstick, and she wanted to try it, so we used it for this video. And then you spray yourself, you get that wet look on your face. That highlighter, wow, is popping now. Tilt your head a little, you feel yourself. Oh girl, look at you. And then don't forget the hair flip. You have to do the hair flip. If not, just don't worry about it. And then you're ready to go out. Well, I hope you enjoyed my voiceover. No, I'm pretty good at it. You don't have to compliment me. I appreciate it. And that's it. Alright, you look amazing, baby. Bye.
Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed and liked this very different bold lip that I have on. It is very different. It's not something I would normally wear. But a funny story is that when I bought the lipstick, I originally ordered 2 different colors, and they sent me one of the wrong colors, so they sent me Shady instead of the color that I did order. So I emailed them, and literally they got back to me in a day, and they sent me out the right color within like 4 days, I think, and I got to keep the other color. So I just, you know, got a free color. I am actually kind of really liking this. This is so unique and different. There's definitely nothing in my collection like it. So I kind of like that I just, you know, got to step out of my comfort zone and create something creative for you guys, something different. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the products will be listed down in the description below so you don't miss out on anything, because I know my husband's not going to know the name of any of these products. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join the family, help us grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!